webale omureebe wa KR Media News Center twakwakira kandi twakushemererwa webale kuba nitwe erizoba nyina tugambe amoshongozo witu omwana w'omuka omega 256 nitwe njya tumanya kandi tumanya ngo akozere kintu ky'amaani omuri Kampala hari ya lugogo cricket oval show yeyo kubanza omu history ya Western Uganda kandi omu history ya Uganda omukiwita kozere concert nungi y'amaani yayishongorera abantu beye abira smart ekyo kyomwe cyo nyenda tukigambe tukigarike mbuli omwe nagambe byagamba ererere this was not fine, the other one was not okay, bichi byona kabagambe ekinkumanya kiringu we abira smart. She was smart in her green attire akatete ikabe kabonire munonga and the green heel edinka sort of a boot, yeah. Abira very smart, very presentable as stage aho. Then abira in attire endije ya white, empare ya white and empare ya white na chi throw on and a crop top haria. She was really hot and presentable and decent. Turgaba abantu bakuza stage tinkuza kubagamba koka, we know all of them. Their stage ajwire nkukuyabona atwereka bintu kamwenu tufagikiriza tujara ngo reka tugendereyo kandi mwene kandi omweshongozo witu kandi wija kutuhereza mwe hatugere reka tumare gatambura na n'icyo kiyareta konko mu kiwitabira jwireje makona kamara bya mwegare hariya kamara bya mwegare makona akamara bya mwegare ya mugamba bingi kwa kujwara kubi kwa rererere kwa kwemura Western culture. We are proud of our girl abonshonga abira jwireje agerezeho kwereka makona mbu takushwaza muntu wena turijera ari ekyo omega 256 na managingwa na Shwanda ogwe niwe manager weye niwakoze logo mugona niwaronzire ba sponsors like the guy really has done his best. Kulgom to 2015 kulgom 2015 omega atire haso 2015 akabanza nkabanza kure cyishongoro cyenyewe ko muntu kabanza kura weekend was a banger. Weekend was a very good banger from Western Uganda. Aha mwana w'omuki bale batukatwire ntomanya ba Rage, of course Rage akayarabireho people was still there konka tukatakamanya ibare de Mariam bakabarabireho bashayi no mutiga bakabarabireho bareba. So in this generation ina kuzenti generation yitu abato ba Gen Zs, yeah, tukaba tutakafonere muntu wa penetrating amu omu 2015 omega 256 yajatereka manzemba saburi reka manzemba retere ekyeshongoro weekend kityo kya closinga Western Uganda. The female artist yaraba hatyo up to now turi 2025. We are now in 2025. The girl is still rolling. Kulugogwe tarayemerire akagomeza mpackage shaha ya rugaho finally ya to reuniting ankai lugogo owakubire nabanka representative female artist wakorire concert yo muri Kampala bira best Emily concert yakajitwara mu Serena is far different from Lugogo is a little bit bigger compared to Serena. Serena is abantu bache mnonga compared to Lugogo. Konka omega akaja ati ninyenda njemeremu ale bati nyenda njemeremu mbereke ngu nanye kintu ekininchibasa abonshonga hindi jeretiki tihi hatu nagamoro concert aho nagamoro concert rwashomba abantu concert shombera abantu iworo kugera concert ya omega terabire mwegwire mweno yebihire abonshonga Eddie Kenzo aperformingere a concert ya omega Ray G ya performinga a concert ya Omega turigera bagamba bingi bagamba bingi ererere era Omega tebakwatagana na Ray G era Omega na Ray G nibe halana era bichi era management tuzukureba na bro omwana kibamazire abatire solte pa munwa anti temugwa kusala mugambo. You people love cutting word na this was a surprise for you. Omwana izire ya performinga though atire yoru yimba rumwe. I think mugambe muragambe, but me I think Ray G nomugore Ray G nomugore onimore no mbuza nomugore wo hano mugore wanka konka we have to know Ray G nichi nomugore abweshonga aine pending concert omurikacheka very soon bareba so takwenda mureba bareba nchoro kureba romhimana atwara mwichuwe ari kuza ku oba kuza kutwara mteko Mozambique for 1 month aza kumwihera na atonyana na Gerard. So Ray Judge ati nanye babire bambikire ndiyabyanzi byamateni nywa mateni swimming amateni n'abamate konka yajatereka for the love of Western culture, of Western music. They kanyije mbanze nkoreki baringurize okache munde barebeho nsige n'abatera sige n'abakanga mwaho ntionga ariko ho kache nyuma ngarike yenze kwetereza je abuko bamwine kuzakacheka mukakora ki mukafuna full swing mukafuna the full version of him tibyo kumurebera concert yabanze mukatandika kujana tukamureba buriya naburi twamareba so tukuzagaruka no way. This time round abahireho just kajaribu, no giving you a lot. Then people are performing today. Of course he had to Cindy the king herself, she performed a performance that was really strong. She has really supported Omega 256 since their collaboration. Yeah, the collab has been a hit. Can I see you tonight? Esha yona nincheshongoro mwana omuntu nyo. I want to see someone tonight. TV into yokuguma numumuza abuza kogesha yona. I want to see someone tonight. DJ Nimrod na wabira dia concert. DJ Nimrod dakurebuka atulo ko office za nangeti za Galaxy Radio yebichire konka he came for the concert and finally family love is always the best. Omega 256 was accompanied by his father. No match kumanyisa yo dad kurugo muntebeye akija kuija concert yawe. Dad wanje na sanko kubuza tati yatize kukora iki. Konka Ishawa Omega 256 ajizarati, let me go and support my baby girl. Ila he came through. The dancers were smartly dressed. They were really good. The stage was nice. The crowds were so happy about the performance and everything went down so well. I think that is it with Omega 256. Okwisyaho program eji ningasho kwisyaho amahuraga in the daisy webale kuleba KR Media.